Vijayendra Sharma Bhai, who is a council colleague with me. He brought a proposal in the council, and NARIC is a research this thing where UK based, as you said very correctly, Afzal Bhai. Institute had paid substantial amount to NARIC because it is not that easy to get into the research of that NARIC, right?
Yes.
Already the circular and everything is very clear. For the benefit of the future, be it for the students who are intermediate, be it for the students who are doing final, be it for passed out members, it's a wonderful initiative by the International Affairs Committee headed by Vijayendra Bhai, and the entire council elected representative was very happy to immediately accept that proposal. And for everybody's information, it is of course less than 30 lakhs, but substantial amount is paid to them. They have gone to each and every subject of our Institute of Cost Accountants of India, right from intermediate to final. And finally, we are very glad to inform it is already very much open. Biswarup Dada, Honorable President, has given a circular this thing to the members, as well as it is uploaded in the website also. It is in the social media. And the benefit you all should understand that we were not recognized earlier by any other this thing. Now, because NARIC has approved our or given good appreciation about our syllabus, 200, not less than 200 countries in the world are acknowledging the qualification of CMA intermediate and CMA final.
Wow.
That is the basic of, that is the beauty of this thing, NARIC, Afzal Bhai.
Yes.
Whether you go for immigration, whether you go for higher studies, whether you go for a job in, say, abroad. So UK NARIC, UAE NARIC, like that they have segregated in that particular circular if everybody have read it, right?
Yes, yes.
Anywhere in the world, a CMA intermediate also will be given some points, will be given some recognition. CMA intermediate also.
That is a
You leave alone a CMA final, because we know there are many children, many students who are dropouts after intermediate. Here, NARIC, after our institute having taken up the matter, has recognized our intermediate syllabus as well as final syllabus. Then there is a question whether, sir, if we complete our CMA because of this NARIC recognition, whether we will be allowed to do doctorate, PhD in foreign countries. Please wait. This is my request. Please wait. So, NARIC is a great achievement by the this thing that the institute has taken a small step, but a giant leap, that members will be recognized by our own other human beings in various parts of the world. So,
Yes.
rest assured, Afzal Bhai, this is a great this thing, glad news. Of course, in 2020, we were all upset with the COVID-19, Corona, this or that, right? But
Yes.
this is a good this thing that institute could reach NARIC, and they have submitted, and now they not less than 200 countries are going to recognize our CMA intermediate pass students and CMA final pass students. This is very briefly I am telling. See, when you go for immigration, when you go for some job opportunities abroad, because why? Youth means youngsters, less than 27 years or 30 years of old age, right? In each 5 youth, you can find one Indian in the entire world, entire universe. One among the 5 youth is an Indian. So tomorrow, the globe, the world is going to be ruled by an Indian. And if you are a proud CMA, if you are even a CMA intermediate, you are going to get recognized not less than 200 countries in the world. That is the beauty of this particular NARIC, the thing which has been circulated. Of course, we need to develop ourselves in marketing and publicity. Many of the students, many of the members have not even acknowledged the efforts taken by the institute with regard to NARIC. But once they come to know the importance of having entered into this, the recognition, the importance, the appreciation, and the acknowledgement for the syllabus of cost and management accountancy, rest assured, the future will shine. Afzal bhai, I am making
Yes,
it
sir.
very clear. This NARIC is not just like any other notification or circulation or circular or this thing or that thing from the institute. It's a great achievement by the institute, and it is going to benefit even the existing members, even the students who are pursuing